Hello, I'm Dr. Kemi Ogundipe. I'm a pediatric advisor with Médecins Sans Frontières, and today I'm going to talk about the impact of COVID-19 in low and middle income settings. COVID-19 took the world by storm, shutting down society, disrupting services, and changing how we lived daily. For children all around the world, the effects have been far-reaching, and in some cases, these effects are only now being seen, and we worry that many consequences are still to come. Join me as we look at how wave after wave of the pandemic has tested health systems in low and middle income countries, and what specific challenges it has left to child health in its wake. We'll explore what happened to key medical services for children in these settings, either directly as a result of the pandemic or due to the pandemic response. We'll consider what that means for our goals around malaria prevention and treatment, vaccination, safe deliveries, and overall child morbidity and mortality. As we learn about the collateral damage of COVID-19, we will also look at the potential ways, both innovative and tried and true, to mitigate these effects and bolster these health systems against future similar situations. I look forward to seeing you in ESPID 2022.